We are. No, I didn't get that because he said he was waiting. All safely across, even Chestnut.
Hey guys, just wait. A little bit, then we'll have to cross again.
Keep on walking, I'm videoing.
We'll have to cross a different stream here in a little bit.
Waiting on Alex and Zach and Ross. They're coming up the trail. We are snowshoeing. Where are we snowshoeing, Alex?
We're doing street and... Is that a video or pictures?
Video!
Hi, all Christy's friends. Hey!
There's Chestnut, our faithful dog, in the way. Chestnut!
She doesn't want me to catch up to Alex.
Alex, call Chestnut.
Chestnut, that way. Look, up there. Go.
We are nearing the top, maybe. We really don't know.
Oh, Chestnut.
It's just us having to be prodded. Hello. Mom and Dad are way down there, along with Mr. and Mrs. Strickharten. Bye.